good, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're here with Dylan playing with the windows. We're heading to an open house. We go to it pretty much every year. We're kind of stuck in a little predicament right now. Yeah, we're in the 300. Hadid's in his Fiat, and Jeremy and Isaac, they're behind somewhere on the way there. So this is probably gonna be like the last car event, I would say, of the year. I don't think there's gonna be much after this. Yeah, weather's getting colder. There's gonna be snow coming soon, and yeah, more stuff indoors and outdoors. Yeah, we're heading our way over there, and see you guys once we head there.
Oh shit! Oh, blacked out tail? No, I know. Those are...
Holy E30.
Oh shit, we pity bikes tonight.
Let's see, we got 992.
What is Jeremy doing?
GT3 RS. SV right here, parking.
Oh.
Ready, guys? We found a spot. Same spot that we always park at. Hopefully, I always forget that. Music is always fucking
Oh yeah, wait, the
copyright,
music
so.
here is copyright.
Yeah.
Every year.
Look at this one.
Nice. This one? Well, other than the auto show, this is
Clean
the first
ass.
proper one we've seen up close.
Carbon fiber hood.
I like how they always do like the sticker. What? Instead
Is
of
it
a badge.
Yeah, they do that
They
for...
do it for like weight savings or whatever.
Yeah. Blue wheels. I forget what color name that is.
The blue seatbelts don't really matter.
Big ass wing too with DRS. This little flap opens up. Oh, buckaroo, slow down.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Look at this Senna. We've seen this one a few times here. Saw this at the 2019 auto show, I think, or 2020, one of the two. I remember,
There was
right?
no 2020.
Yeah, there was. Why do you always say that? Right before the pandemic.
2021 there was none.
Yeah, fully carbon fiber exposed, gold wheels, gold accents all along the side skirt. I'm gonna have to get louder because the music is absolute ear rape, but it is what it is. Yeah, 720S in a dark blue. I like that. Then we got a papaya orange, McLaren GT, silver wheels, nice bright spec. Look at that, that looks so good. Look at this. 765 LT in a bright blue. Holy. This is a really nice spec. I like that. Look at brake calipers too. Properly spec'd. Check out the interior. Those are nice seats on the pattern. Orange Alcantara. I fuck with the spec. Let's check out over here. We got a McLaren Elva. That's proper. They used to have this open, but now I guess they blocked it off. They said someone probably fucked with something last year. I didn't even notice the color, but last time I don't think they had these.
Did they never change this car out?
This 600 LT is proper. I feel like I've seen this one before, but this light blue faded to like the dark blue. The roof scoop, the spoiler, that's proper. Oh my god, the music's getting louder, so I'm gonna end the clip now. Allegedly, there's P1's in here. Oh my days, I've never been in here before. This is 4 P1's in a room. That's brutal. And just this morning, the, I guess, successor to this car, the W1, was announced. I like this more, the P1, but the W1 isn't that bad. Look at this, the rear, how it curves. You cannot beat that. The W1 has a little bit of that, but I feel like it has a lot of people are saying Lycan, Ferrari, SF90 look to it. Yeah, I don't know. I guess just because this car is 11 years old now, we're so used to it that it just like, you can't beat it. The curves on it and shape. Then we got the 3 here, Volcano Orange, black, and silver. I really like the Volcano Orange one, or Lava Orange. Yeah, everyone. Actually, you know what? Oh no, never mind. No. I thought that was it. I'm just fucking hallucinating. Anyways.
You know what always gets me about the P1?
What?
rear-wheel drive, and yet it's still crazy.
Oh yeah, that, the Laferrari thing's also rear wheel, and then
the 918.
is also rear.
Yeah.
I thought it was all wheel.
No, it might put them in all wheel, but I know that the McLaren is rear wheel.
Yeah. Two setups now. This silver one just driving in. Absolutely crazy. Yeah. Best sounding car here. This 720S leaving, nice blue.
Okay, block it straight. Alright, we'll be there soon.
Forza looking build. Look at this. Got some classic Beamers. We got a Slam 3 Series, purple 360. Proper TT. I like that 360. That Ruby Star Boxster.
Ruby Star red?
Yeah. E63.
Is it red?
Red. 512 Testarossa. Sometimes they have the mirror deleted on the passenger side. So I don't know how it works, if that's a European spec and this is North American. It could be like right-hand drive has the mirror and then passenger on this side doesn't, I don't know. Overall, like in real life, these are pretty cool, but like in games, I don't care too much about them. But in real life, like seeing it, it's pretty cool actually. Yeah, that's the thing. Around the back, has a little subtle spoiler. And then we got an E30 M3. This is super clean. You guys know I'm a sucker for M3s, especially E30s. Easily one of my favorite BMWs. Got the BBS wheels on, beige interior, in pristine condition. Then we got a 964 Carrera. Holy. White, also really clean. These two are like one of my favorite classic cars. Maybe those wheels actually. Those are better than these.
Out of the three, I like the red one.
Well, actually, I kind of like that silver one at the very end, yeah.
I'm just biased for it.
It's got a combo of both.
Red
A nice
or the
wheel.
one? Black.
Oh yeah, black too. This I'm gonna get my hands on. One way or another. Look at that. Satin black R6. Got a 599, 360 as well. Let's come inside here. We've got an M3 E92. That is crazy. That probably sounds really nice. A few awards too. First place, third place, second, first. Got a few first.
Oh my god, look at the interior. Fucking stripped apart. Little harnesses, Recaro racing seats, wheel.
And look at the front splitter. Nice and low. proper. Come around here, yeah, we got the Paganis. This is what our, actually no, we haven't seen either ones this year, but we got the Zonda R, the Wyra Roadster. I swear the Roadster got sold, or maybe it was that purple one that we saw.
Yeah, that purple one does.
Yeah, but yeah, this whole top, the rear cover, taken off, looks fire. You can see how big the rear splitter is. Did they have it off at the auto show?
No, it was on.
Yeah, you see like the back of the roof scoop, how it goes into the engine there. I haven't seen that before. That's pretty cool. Mercy here, nice and orange, classic Mercy. Then we've got a SE30 Viola Diablo 30th anniversary edition. This is pretty nice. What does it say on the side there? Ferruccio Lamborghini or something? Oh, those are nice blue seats as well. Ultimate spec would be Viola SE30 with like a beige or white interior. That would be ultimate. Proper. F12. Got a 488 Pista and then SLR McLaren in the back. Boom. We got GTR, we got Chalk Gray 991.2 GT3. We got an R32 right here. Easily the most mid car a man can buy. Well, no, if he buys, you're not a man. I'm kidding. Yeah, I was gonna say.
Oh yeah.
Right on the wing.
Great color. The color underneath is better.
GTS leaving. Got an M4 here. I forget what color this is. What is it called again? Something yellow?
I forget.
It's either a place or like a sunshine. Yeah, exactly. Got a Vantage. Got a nice Golf. I like that. But look at this. Holy Lord have mercy. This is beautiful.
Right next to it?
Yeah, that one too down there. Holy, oh my days. It's like Gentian blue, I think. Gold wheels or bronze. Red brake calipers. Side logoing. Proper. Pulling up. A new M2, an SUK. This RS6, nice and used in the garage. A Roy's GT4. I like this spec actually. Yeah, Benson RS. I feel like those are like SV wheels almost.
Is this an SV?
This is an S. SV has the wing. Some V12. Got a nice light blue G63. We've got a new M2. I forgot what color this is. Really bad with new cars, new colors. Like I'm terrible with them. So I wonder what road this is. I gotta see. We can pull on there. Proper. This is probably my favorite color on the new M2. And all the Porsches leaving. Basically almost everyone's leaving out, but got a Huracan Serato down there, RA 720S, 991.2 GT3, 991.2 GT3 RS. Then we've got the GT3 RS with a bisac pack. Yeah, everyone's rolling out now. Got a 600 LT pulling in. Got 992 GT3 rolling out. Got a G80 purple from Michigan. Ain't no way. Yeah, look at the RX-7 when it turns on. You can see the taillights. They're pretty nice aftermarket ones. A few years ago, they had like 3 of them out front. There was like a turquoise, like bluish one. There was, I feel like this white one was here as well. And then, I don't know, what other one was there? There was like when the RX-7s were all here. That turquoise one.
That yellow one.
Yellow and white one.
You know the yellow one we always see?
Yeah, the
and
wide
it's always
body.
with that skyline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is so clean. Jesus Christ. I don't know if I do the 2 headlights, yeah. Look at this C63 rolling. Yes, sir. Proper. Alrighty. We are pretty much done here. Alrighty, boys. We just finished eating. Now we're gonna head home. I'm in to eat his Fiat that he's brought. What is this guy doing? Just fucking hitchhiking? Here, let me show you guys the inside. So we got a little Fiat 500 interior with a white dash. It's got a turbo. Listen to that valve. It's got crackles from the exhaust, and it's manual. Little tunnel here. Jesus Christ. And also a subwoofer in the back. It's down here. Pretty gnarly for a car this size.
I'm smoking dead. You think you get shot to